Hello Bernard Trailer and YouTube. My name is Bernard and welcome to the Car Finder Garage. This is a cold start video for the 1998 BMW E36 M3. It hasn't been started in a good probably 4 days. Put my hand right here on the manifold. And yeah, go ahead and get a cold start going. It's still raining out, but I will do a test drive video today. Cold, cold, cold. We definitely need some fuel. Okay. Super clean car. I mean, I haven't even detailed this thing. Just cleaned the interior. That's pretty much it. Washed the outside. This is the way I got the vehicle from the client. I purchased it from someone who purchased a Porsche for me on Bring a Trailer, and they traded this thing into me. Such a beautiful car. Mechanically, it runs fantastic. Wheels are in excellent condition. It's got, I think the Michelin tires are about a year old. They only have a couple thousand miles on them. Michelin Pilot Sport PS. Is it 4s? I think the newer ones. Yeah. No major leaks. So, only thing I noticed when I got underneath the car is the high pressure power steering line is wet, but it's not leaking on the ground. It's just wet. You know, typical BMW stuff. But overall, I'd say this car is a 9 out of 10 condition. Has all the VIN stickers are on the panels. All original front end. This is probably one of the most uncommon things to find on an E36 is all the original VIN tags on all the panels. Let's go around here. And that's the brake light on and the fog lights, and then the gas light is on. 88,400 miles exactly right now. The VIN tags are all where they need to be. Super clean interior. Shift knob light still functions. Everything works. One little blemish here. Oh yeah, it's on this side. These are the rear floor mats. I'll give a little gas, but I'm gonna turn it off because I forgot to open my garage door. Not a good idea. All right, thank you for tuning in and God bless.